XRP is absolutely exploding right now, massively outperforming the broader crypto market. While I've been capitalizing on this move for millions in profits, most people are still sitting on the sidelines. But in today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why XRP is pumping, whether it's still a good time to buy, and most importantly, how you can profit from this opportunity. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why XRP is pumping. So, why is XRP pumping like crazy? Let's break it down with the real reasons in simple language. Most up, ETF approval hype. The SEC just approved the first XRP-linked ETF in the US, and it's about to go live. That means tons of new money from institutional investors could flood in, sending prices even higher. Sometime, we're seeing a huge wave of institutional buying. Open interest on XRP futures just hit $10 billion. That's serious whale activity and a clear sign that pros are betting big. Legal battle with the SEC is finally wrapping up. The case dragged on for years, but investors now believe the outcome will favor Ripple, unlocking major adoption. Here's the new EVM sidechain on the XRPL, which allows Ethereum-compatible apps to be built on the XRP ledger. That's bringing about developers, dApps, and real utility into the ecosystem. Ripple also launched its new stablecoin, RLUSD, and it's being backed by major banks like Amina. Plus, they're applying for a US banking license, bridging crypto with traditional finance. Technically, XRP is also breaking out. We've seen a golden cross on the chart, a classic signal for a strong bull trend, and volume is surging. Let's not forget, we're in a broader crypto bull market. Bitcoin is making new highs, and altcoins are starting to run. That kind of momentum always gives XRP an extra push. Banks are now greenlit to use XRP for fast cross-border payments. That unlocks trillions in potential volume. With limited supply, that's a recipe for a really price squeeze. Whales are accumulating, liquidity gaps are being filled, and FOMO is spreading fast. Social media is buzzing, and on-chain data confirms retail is pouring in. Finally, regulation is turning in XRP's favor. The EU, the US, and even countries like the UAE are laying frameworks that could push XRP to become the default bridge asset for CBDCs and even oil settlements. Part 2. The charts don't lie. Let's talk charts. We just broke out of a massive 7-year consolidation triangle on the Bitstamp chart. This is not a small move. This is generational breakout energy. After that first breakout, XRP formed a short consolidation phase, and just last week, we broke above that downtrend again. Right now, we're pushing past $3.50, and the momentum is becoming unstoppable. Look, we're officially in alt season. Bitcoin's strength always flows down to altcoins, and XRP is riding that wave perfectly. But here's the key. In crypto, timing is everything. If you wait too long, you miss the explosive upside. If you move too early without understanding the fundamentals, you get shaken out. This alignment of fundamentals plus technicals plus timing, that's rare. That's why I'm going heavy on XRP right now. So, is it still a good time to buy XRP? In my opinion, absolutely. But let me be clear, this is not financial advice. You have to make your own decisions. But here's the truth. Just buying and holding, that's not where the real money is made. The real profits come from actively trading these moves, getting in, riding the pump, and knowing exactly when to exit. This is where the magic happens. Let me show you exactly how I'm trading XRP right now using WEEX. I'm using WEEX because they offer the best bonuses, low fees, and access to 10x leverage. If you use my exclusive link in the description, you'll get massive fee discounts and deposit bonuses. Let me show you. Here's my setup. I'm setting up a long position on XRP. I'm using 10x leverage but with tight risk management. That means I define my entry point. I set a clear stop loss and I lock in profits with a take profit order. This strategy lets me multiply gains while keeping losses limited. And the key? Don't get greedy. Take profits in chunks, protect your capital, re-enter if needed. WEEX makes this whole process smooth and beginner friendly. That's why I'm using them. All right, XRP is breaking out. The fundamentals are strong. The charts are glowing green. This is a rare moment. And if you're watching this video right now, you're early. But here's the thing. If you want to know the exact list of altcoins I'm buying right now, with the potential to 30x in the next 3 months, watch the video popping up on your screen right now. Trust me, you'll learn a lot from it. Catch you in the next one.